I love funnels compared to, other programs that we have used in the past, far superior. The results are a lot better. The most we probably had was maybe 12 people show up. They were very small. Some of them were 3 people, 4 people. It was kind of a waste of our time, I thought. I didn't think the outcome paid for the work that we put into it. Like, we didn't have enough people sign up. This is by far the most efficient. You could see the results. I would say there was probably at least come and go about 100 people. We did get quite a few new patients from that. It was really, everybody had fun. It was successful. It was organized, just made it so much easier. It was a blast. I think that PhysioFunnels, all the marketing is what helped. Without that, I don't think it would have been as successful. Oh, I wish we had you guys 15, 20 years ago.